Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are diving into an essential aspect of ISO 21001 management review meetings. These meetings play a crucial role in ensuring the effectiveness and continual improvement of an educational organization management system EOMS as per ISO 21001 standards. Join me as we explore the significance process and best practices for conducting management review meetings in alignment with ISO 21001. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand what management review meetings entail. In ISO 21001, management review meetings are formal gatherings where top management evaluates the performance and effectiveness of the EOMS. These meetings provide an opportunity to assess progress, review objectives, and make informed decisions to enhance the educational organization's performance. Objectives of management review meetings. The primary objectives of management review meetings include reviewing the performance of the EOMS against set objectives and targets, assessing the adequacy and effectiveness of processes and resources, identifying opportunities for improvement and implementing corrective actions, ensuring alignment with organizational goals and stakeholder expectations, enhancing the overall effectiveness and efficiency of educational services. Frequency and timing. ISO 21001 does not specify a fixed frequency for management review meetings, as it may vary depending on the organization's size, complexity, and context. However, it's recommended to hold these meetings at planned intervals to ensure timely evaluation and decision making. Typically, management review meetings are conducted annually or more frequently if deemed necessary. Key agenda items. Common agenda items for management review meetings in ISO 21001 include review of EOMS performance metrics, including educational outcomes and stakeholder satisfaction, examination of internal and external issues affecting educational management, assessment of risks and opportunities related to educational services, status review of objectives, targets, and action plans, analysis of audit findings, non-conformities and corrective actions, evaluation of resource allocation and capacity to support educational objectives, review of changes in legal, regulatory or organizational requirements affecting the EOMS. Preparation and documentation. Effective preparation and documentation are essential for successful management review meetings. Key steps include gathering relevant data, reports, and performance indicators, circulating meeting agendas, documents, and supporting materials in advance, ensuring attendance of relevant stakeholders, including top management and process owners, documenting meeting minutes, decisions, and action plans for follow-up and reference, assigning responsibilities and timelines for implementing decisions and actions. Conducting the meeting. During the management review meeting, it's crucial to follow the agenda and keep discussions focused on relevant topics. Encourage effective participation and input from all attendees. Promote open and transparent communication, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Review performance data objectively, considering both quantitative and qualitative factors. Facilitate decision-making based on evidence, analysis, and organizational objectives. Continuous improvement. Management review meetings serve as a catalyst for continuous improvement in the EOMS. It's essential to document decisions, action plans, and improvement opportunities arising from the meeting. Monitor progress on implementation and follow up on agreed actions. Incorporate lessons learned and best practices into future management review meetings. Adapt the EOMS as needed to address changing circumstances, stakeholder needs, and organizational goals. In conclusion, Management review meetings are cornerstone of ISO 21001, facilitating strategic decision making, performance evaluation, and continual improvement in educational management. By conducting these meetings effectively and consistently, organizations can enhance their ability to deliver high-quality educational services that meet stakeholders' needs and expectations. I am now open to any questions or thoughts you may have about management review meetings in ISO 21001. Feel free to share your insights or seek clarification on my aspect discussed. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the importance and best practices of management review meetings in ISO 21001. Have a great day. Thank you.